how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now here you can see like the steps: 1, sign up, recommend, and earn. Earn up to 10% in associate commissions. So that is pretty nice. Now to actually sign up for it, you just gotta go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and then over here click on sign up. Now here you can actually just sign in with your normal or regular Amazon account if you have one. You don't particularly have to create a new Amazon account for this. So I'm going to log in right now. Now once you've signed in, you will end up right here. So here it says, to whom should we issue the payments? And here you can see your information. So you can click on here, like who is the main contact for this account, the payee listed above. So the person right here or someone else. Now the person right here is me. So I'm just going to click on the payee listed above and then click on next. Then here you have to enter a website or websites or a mobile app or whatever. But if you don't have a website, then what you can actually do is go to your YouTube channel. Now this is just a random channel of mine, but if you actually have like a big channel that, for example, reviews Amazon products or just products in general, then you can actually just copy this channel link of yours over here and then click on here, paste it in there like this, click on add, and now it's right there. So that will also work. Of course, this channel will probably not work, but if you have like a channel like I just explained, then this will probably work. Now, if you also have something like this, you can add it there as well, but you don't have to. So this is just for people that don't have a website. If you have a website, of course, just add your own. So then click on next, and then you'll get this. So here it says, are any of these websites or mobile apps listed above directed primarily at children under 13? If that's not the case, just click on no, and then click on confirm, and you'll end up right here. So here you just have to fill all of this in. So you can see what is your preferred associate store ID, your website list, like we just did. What are your website or mobile apps about? So here you can, for example, explain that you make reviews of Amazon products or just like products in general, and that you also review Amazon products. Which of the following topics best describe your website or mobile app? So here you can see everything, right? So let's say it would be tech. Here you can see computers, software, technology. Here you can select another one, for example, gaming. You see, so you have to fill everything in here. This might take a while to like get everything right. And once you're done, do the CAPTCHA and click on finish. And that is how you can sign up for the Amazon affiliate. So yeah, that's kind of it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments